Hi everyone, this is Shehla Anjum. Today I'm going to show you how to design on a website, and the website name is Canva, as you can see it on the screen. And you can get the link, it will be under my video in the comment section. And if you want to log in, you can do it for free. And here is the main website page, and if you like to create a design, you can create like different things. You can see here as you can design animated social media presentations, posters, logos, Instagram posts, and a lot of different things. As you can see, flyer, Facebook cover, social media, and Instagram story. So there are a lot of uses, there are a lot of applications, a lot of design options, but there are few limitations that you can do with the free account. But the rest of the designs and services you can reach with a small fee, with a small membership fee. But I am right now using the free account, and I'm so happy with that. I have created my own designs. You can see these are all my designs. I created them by myself. You see, these are all mine. I love creating designs on Canva. I love Canva. So it's if you want to create something, there is a tab. You can see it says create a design, and then you select what do you want to create. So there are a lot of options: Instagram story, photo collage, logo, poster, presentations, anything. So let's create a logo. So you see it brings us to a new screen, and it has different options. Like you can select templates, you can select photos, and when you bring your cursor on the photo, it tells you if it is free or if it is it has a price. So there is a text that you can use, and there are videos. You see, this is free, 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 free. Wow. So look at this. If we want to use this photo, for example, I like this. This is free, so I will just grab and bring it to my blank page. Here we go. So this is my photo. I can resize it. It's so easy. You see? And I can crop it, flip it, adjust, and filter. Beside these photos, you will see elements. If you want some elements, you can add these elements to your design. Like this is free. This is free. Let's see if I like to select, for example, love. So this is free. There we go. And you can crop the picture. You can move the picture with your cursor. It's up to you, whatever you like. So the reason